guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, for those of you that are new. If you're not new, welcome back. So today, as you guys can see from the title of the video, I'm gonna be unboxing my Boxycharm for March. My Boxycharm was super late. I always get it at the latest, like on the 7th, and it is the 12th, and I just got it. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Okay, so for starters, I don't see a card. Okay, so I didn't get a card, the one that has all the prices and what the items are, which is very disappointing because now I have to go online and look them up. I know it kind of sounds dumb. It's like, oh, you have to do that work, but it's like, just put it in there. I can tell y'all right now by what I'm looking at, I'm not happy about this box. But let's get to it. Okay, so the first product that I have is this Pharmacy. I don't know if you guys can see that. This Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Made exclusively for Boxycharm. Makeup remover. So it says you just apply gently onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes, rinse with warm water, or wipe off with a damp washcloth. So it claims that it's supposed to get even the boldest eye makeup off. I'm not going to use this right now because I don't want to melt off my makeup. I just put it on. I'm going to go ahead and look up the prices, and I'm going to go ahead and put it down below because I don't want to be looking it up while I'm showing it to you guys. Okay, I'm telling you guys right now, I absolutely hate lip glosses. Hate lip glosses. And I know I put on there that I don't want lip glosses because I hate lip glosses. Like, you can send me lipsticks. Like I was saying, I hate lip glosses. But yeah, I know I'm not going to use this. I don't even want to try it on because I feel like, you know, I'm just going to try it on for the sake of the video. But yeah, I hate it. It's so sticky and I hate that sticky feeling. I mean, if you like lip gloss, I guess, but it's literally just clear and it has a little bit of glitter, but it's super sticky. Like, I can just feel it, and then I just don't like it. I don't like lip glosses. So I'm gonna have to go check my preferences again just to make sure I put on there, like, do not send me lip glosses, because they're just such a waste for me. I'm not gonna use them. The other thing that I have are these tweezers. I don't need tweezers. I love the tweezers that I have. Like you know what I mean? Like, it's like a metal clip. And then I also got this mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. I'm not gonna lie, I mean, do y'all see this curl? Like, and I left it on for like 15 seconds, so yeah, that's pretty good for this little mini curler. That I didn't think it was gonna do this, but yeah, that's pretty cute. I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair later because I don't feel like doing it right now, but I feel like it should be super quick with the curler. I wish I had the card again that had everything, but from what I see on the card here, it just says professional salon quality, fast heat up and recovery, max temperature is 370 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a 1.8 swivel cord, and it has an ergonomic grip handle. It heated up in maybe like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, like a minute, and it's hot. I mean, it was hot, like, and I put it on here for like 10 seconds, and it just, like, yeah. I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair, but I'm gonna do it like off camera. I just kind of wanted to show y'all. So if it bothers you guys that I'm gonna be like this for the rest of the video, I'm sorry. But I'm almost done showing y'all what I got. So the mini curler, I guess I don't mind it. But yeah, again, the lip gloss and the tweezers are so disappointing because I feel like I could have gotten different products for that, or even one other product. So the last thing that I have, you guys, is this Living in Color palette. So this palette is from Hank and Harry. The only thing that I've tried from them was the eyeliner that came in my one of the Boxycharms, and I mean, I like the eyeliner, it was pretty good, but I haven't tried any other products. So this is the palette, and these are the colors. As you guys can see, they're pretty random colors, I guess you can say. 369 colors. I'll go ahead and swatch them for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this, like what color is it? Rustique, I think it's called. I mean, it's pretty pigmented, as you guys can see. It's pretty easy to blend. I'm pretty much like just trying to show you guys like what the colors look like on my actual eyes. I'm gonna try to use as many colors as I can, but I don't know what I'm doing. So if I look crazy, that's fine. It's for the purpose of showing you guys what it looks like. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of this brown right here, which is called, it's called Dragon Blood. Dragon Blood. That's too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that a little bit, like right on the crease actually, just to darken it up a bit. Like these browns and oranges, they're really pretty, especially you can use them for spring and summer. Just darken it up a little bit with this brown that you guys saw. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and add some concealer to my eyelid, and we're gonna go ahead and apply a shimmery color so we can see what it looks like. So I'm just using my Tarte concealer, this brown right here. It's like a gold. It is called La Canela. Let's go ahead and apply it. Ooh, can you guys see that? For the inner corner, for like the rest of the eyelid, let's go ahead and use this pinkish purplish color called Sultry Sin. This color with the canela. I'm gonna take the blue. I'm gonna go ahead and take some blue, and it looks it's very matte, so I'm hoping it's gonna be very pigmented, and I'm using a very thick brush, so it's gonna be probably super smoky, which is fine. I look like I'm going to some concert or something, some crazy concert. I really like this blue. I cannot wait to use it for other looks. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this, what was it again? Dragon Blood, and I'm gonna apply it on the edges. Just to kind of blend it all in. All right, and just for giggles, let's go ahead and take this petticock, this petticock color. We're gonna go ahead and apply it right in the inner corner. Because why not? We're already looking crazy. All right. Okay. So I'm definitely loving all the colors that I use. I think they're all super pretty. Let me know in the comments down below what colors you guys want to see me use. I'm gonna use the blue though, I'm telling y'all right now. I kind of tried to get the rest of my hair. I know it looks crazy, that's because I was kind of rushing, But yeah, it heats up pretty good. The only thing that I don't like is that I don't like this, that it just slides back and forth, because I accidentally kept turning it off whenever I was, you know, curling my hair. So I didn't like that I kept turning it off and I had to turn it back on, turn it back off, turn it back on. But other than that, if you're looking for a mini curler, I mean, it's gonna do the job. Again, my hair looks crazy because I was rushing when I was doing it. I kind of just wanted to not be bothering you guys with just one curl. So but I'll definitely use it and like more calmly to actually go ahead and, you know, see how it would look. But I can see myself using it. All I did was just put some eyeliner on and a little bit of mascara. But yeah, this is it. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought about your box if you did order it. I do have the base. Is it the base? Yeah, it's the $25 one. That's the one that I have. So I mean, I had been wanting to change to the Boxy Luxe, but I feel like it hasn't been consistently good for me to like I haven't been consistently happy with my Boxycharm to upgrade to, you know, like the Boxy Luxe. I feel like it's gonna be more disappointing because I'm gonna be spending more money. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the links down below of if you do want to sign up. Out of everything that I got in my box, I know for sure I'll be using the palette. I will be using this makeup remover balm and the curling iron. But these two things, yeah, I'm not gonna be using that for sure. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.